Hello G-Traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel. You are watching a weekly link up with me, Kate Stihina. We are going to discuss the ongoing situation on Forex with the technical analyst Petar Yakimovic and forecast further moves of popular currency pairs. For the whole week, the euro-dollar pair has been trading sideways in a wide range. As a result, both buyers and sellers had an opportunity to gain profits. Earlier this week, traders rushed to sell off the US dollar after Donald Trump voiced concern about the overvalued US currency. Later, investors preferred to sell the euro amid expectations that the ECB would confirm its dovish rhetoric at the policy meeting. Judging by the jam-packed economic calendar, traders are braced for another turbulent week. Petar, what is your outlook on the euro-dollar pair for the next week, bearing in mind technical indicators?
Hello there, traders. On the euro versus US dollar, what I found is a very interesting situation. According to the 4-hour time frame, I found that there is actually a strong supply into the market, and I found basically the bearish environment of this currency pair. Euro dollar is basically trading in its consolidation phase for a pretty decent time, maybe about few weeks that this currency pair is trading inside the consolidation phase. Anyway, I found a bearish flag and the breakout of the bearish flag according to the 4-hour time frame, and this can be a very good sign that this currency pair might go further lower. So my advice after to watch for selling opportunities because of this bearish flag breakout. The downward target is set the price of 1.1580. This is the first downward target based on the price action, and the second downward target is set the price of 1.1510. This is also target based on the price action from the background. Again, bearish flag. Price is also trading near the top of the Keltner channel, so there are pretty good conditions that this currency pair might trade lower. So watch for selling opportunities on the euro versus US dollar.
Perhaps no one is optimistic about the pound sterling. Do you think so?
On the British pound versus US dollar, it's a very similar situation like on the euro versus US dollar. What I found is a hidden bearish divergence on the LBR oscillator, which is a strong sign that this currency pair might rotate lower. I also found that this currency pair according to a 4-hour time frame rejected from the top of the Keltner channel, which acting like resistance in the structure. So there are very good conditions that this currency pair might go lower. So watch for selling opportunities. The downward targets are set the price of 1.3075, and the second downward target is set the price of 1.2960. This is basically based on the previous price action according to a 4-hour time frame. So watch for selling opportunities on the British pound versus US dollar.
The yen is again winning favor with investors. Interestingly, the safe haven status of the yen is not the only reason behind growing demand. The yen is gaining ground as the Bank of Japan is expected to begin scaling back its massive stimulus program soon. Petar, how long is the yen going to extend its strength?
On the USD versus Japanese yen, I found a hidden bullish divergence on the LBR oscillator, and there is a bottom of the Keltner channel which acting like support. So it's basically a sign that buyers are in control and that we might expect an upward move on this currency pair. Now the upward targets are set the price of 111.55. It's the first upward target. The second upward target is set the price of 113.10. Both targets are based on the previous price action and suggesting there is a resistance on these take profit levels. So watch for to scale your position near this resistance level. So watch for buying opportunities on the USD versus Japanese yen.
From your viewpoint, will dollar bulls be able to regain losses against the Canadian dollar?
On the USD CAD, similar like on the USD Japanese yen, I found a hidden bullish divergence on the LBR oscillator, and basically the price even back to the previous week low and back inside of that range, which is even have a bigger significance on the further bullish movement. So watch for buying opportunities. The upward target is set the price of 1.386, and the second target is set the price of 1.3285. And both targets again are based on the price action that I found in the background, and they represent the resistance level. So again, watch for buying opportunities on the USD versus Canadian dollar.
Thank you, Peter, for your trading recommendations. See you next week. You have watched the Linkup on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina, and Petar Jakimovic, technical analyst of InstaForex office in Serbia. We wish you always profitable trading. See you soon.